During 2000, there is an expansion through integrated pest management. So IPM programs has come up during 2000 in India. So this witnessed a rapid market expansion as farmers increased recognizing these limitations of chemical pesticides and including resistance development, residue concern, and environmental impact. So this is made the farmers to adopt these integrated pest management techniques, increasing pesticide resistance among the major insecticide pests. So farmers are started, and the scientific community also started recommending this IPM process. So under IPM process, so we are recommending these biological inputs and along with the synthetic chemicals to reduce the input of chemical pesticides or fungicides and even insecticides, all which is comes under chemical residues. So the major aim of this integrated pest management to reduce the chemical inputs. So we are integrating the biological inputs along with this synthetic to reduce the chemical inputs. So this is also helping Indian farmers during 2000 year. So the growth of certified organic farming also started during this year. So government initiative also taken and national projects on organic farming started during 2004, and promotion of bio inputs through extension programs are taken in number of universities through extension programs, and which increased even by the government as a financial support for biological inputs. So this is made the market grow, and numerous Indian companies began manufacturing Trichoderma and Pseudomonas fluorescens, Bavaria bassiana, Metarhizium, and Verticillium, and neem-based biopesticides. So, in this regard, the industry's outcome and India has also emerged as Asia's fastest growing producer of microbial pesticides during 2000 year.